Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can earn thousands of dollars from Tony Robbins. Right now, you might be thinking, whoa, the Tony Robbins, like the big motivational guru Tony Robbins, that Tony Robbins, right? If you're not familiar with who Tony Robbins is, look him up. He's everywhere. It probably was an ad. One of his ads probably played before you clicked on this video, to be honest with you. But so if you're not familiar with him, he's like a big time like motivational speaker. He has live seminars. He has live webinars. He has books. He has specials. You name it, right? He's big time. He's probably close to being like a billionaire if he isn't. He has tons of businesses, but he's mainly known for being a motivational guru, right? So you might be thinking, okay, well, yeah, that's nice and all, but how am I gonna earn thousands of dollars from Tony Robbins, right? It's easy, right? This is what you need to do. Become an affiliate for his programs. Yes, you can actually promote his programs and get a commission for every person that you get to sign up to one of his live seminars or webinars or any of his courses, anything like that. All right. The key is, right, you have to apply for it. All right. And you have to know where to apply to be one of his affiliates, and you have to be accepted. All right. Now, some tips to be accepted, because I actually took a look at his, the application process. And I will put a link in the description. You can find it, just look for it. And you can actually apply yourself. Now, one thing that I suggest that you have, because they do ask you, how do you plan on promoting Tony Robbins products or whatever? You want to say that you are a influencer, right? I think it's an option you can click on saying that you are an influencer, all right? And they're going to ask you, well, what's your platforms? What platforms are you going to use? Now, most people have some sort of social media, whether it be a Facebook, an Instagram, a TikTok, even a YouTube channel, all right? Now, I highly suggest that you have some sort of following, even if it's a Facebook page where you have a lot of friends, or a TikTok account where you have a lot of followers, or Instagram, or whatever, right? Because they're gonna ask you like where you're gonna promote this stuff, right? So long as you have a place to promote, Tony Robbins products, then you have a very, very good chance to get accepted and become an actual affiliate. Now, guys, when you become an affiliate, I looked it over, you can get anywhere up to 15%. So you might be thinking, 15%? That ain't great. But you gotta keep in mind, Tony Robbins is big dog status. Some of his programs cost thousands of dollars, right? Thousands of dollars to attend some of his seminars, thousands of dollars for his courses and everything. So you do the math on that. You can seriously make some real money as an affiliate of Tony Robbins. All right. So I'll put a link below. You can check it out for yourself. Now, if you want to see what I'm doing to be able to earn instant $300 commissions, if you ain't feeling the Tony Robbins thing, you definitely need to watch this video right here.